Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about what makes a reel go viral. When it comes to creating great content, it's important to consider what type of content resonates with your audience. This can be anything from funny or relatable videos to informative or educational content. Additionally, incorporating popular trends and hashtags can help increase visibility. Next, timing is key. Posting your reel at the right time can mean the difference between a few views and thousands of views. Now, let's talk about engagement. To get your reel to go viral, you need to get your audience to engage with it. This means getting likes, comments, shares, and saves. Another way to increase engagement is to collaborate with other influencers or brands in your niche. Don't be afraid to get creative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your social media presence.